हेलो, नमस्ते एंड वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ एक बहुत अमेजिंग सा लिप शेड जिसको मैं अपने लिप्स पर, अपने ब्लश पे, इवन अपने आई शैडो के लिए भी यूज़ करती हूँ। इट्स एन अमेजिंग शेड, अ परफेक्ट ब्लेंड ऑफ न्यूड एंड पिंक एंड लुक्स so pretty. This is the lipstick. It has a satin matte finish. Shade number is BM32. The name of the shade is Subtle Rose. Very nice product, guys. It is a multi-purpose shade. You can use it anywhere, for office, for parties. बहुत ही प्यारा शेड है, बहुत ओवर भी नहीं लगता है. If you apply a single coat of it, you can also wear it in office or for your workplace. Can you see how pretty it looks? You can also use it for your blush. So if you guys like this look or this lipstick, you can drop your comments below and subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting us so we can come up with more videos regularly for you. And if you have any other favorite lipstick from Lotus, you can recommend me in the comments. And next time I'll be using that lipstick to create my makeup looks in the videos. Thank you. That's all for today. See you next time.